This 2016 Kia Sorento is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Kia Sorento EX Premium Package 7C Touring Package Panoramic Sunroof Navigation System Rear View Camera Blind Spot Monitor Infinity Surround Sound System Heated Seats Bluetooth Phone Bluetooth Media 3.3 LV6 Engine 6-speed Automatic Transmission Keyless and Tri-Keyless Start Cruise Control Power Windows Power Door Locks Ebony Black Exterior Black Interior Unwears Manual Floor Mats Under Kia Factory Warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2016 Sorento X is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.